Everything on your website, from content to URLs, is connected to the navigation. Therefore, navigation plays an important role in creating a successful website. Your site's navigation system, like a map, helps users and search engines to find information contained within your website. Moreover, it helps search engines to understand how important this information is. Although Google search results are provided at a page level, Google also likes to know what role a page plays in the website. So, website navigation affects not only the search engine's ranking, but traffic and conversions too. Web navigation types and styles vary between different websites as well as within a certain site. For example, the hierarchical navigation system implies moving from the general to specific content. The global navigation system complements the hierarchical one as lists the main content pages on each web page. The local navigation system is used when a site supports subsites internally. As to navigation styles, the availability of the different navigational styles such as a navigation bar, drop-down and fly-out menus, links, and other allow the information in the website to be delivered easily and directly. Usually, different types and styles of navigation are combined within a particular website. Remember that for navigation, the focus should always be on the website's simplicity and ease of use. Plan your website's navigation based on your home page. All sites have a home or main page, which is usually the most visited on the website and is the starting place of navigation for many visitors. Think how your website's visitors will go from your main page to more specific content, and help them by creating simple and easy of use the navigation system for your website. Create a naturally flowing hierarchy. Make it as easy as possible for users to go from general content to the more specific content they want on your website. This allows you to provide a clear, simple path to all your web pages from anywhere on the website. Avoid linking every page on your site to every other page. Avoid also going overboard with slicing and dicing your content. Be consistent throughout all your website. Visitors will learn through repetition how to use and get around your website. Using a consistent navigation scheme on your website from page to page helps your visitors to learn your navigation system and easily find content they are interested in on your website. Keep together the main navigation links. For example, on this website you see the main navigation links on the top of each page. Keeping together your main navigation links makes it easier for visitors to go to the main areas on your website. Group navigation links into sections. Grouping links into sections allows you to reduce clutter. If your website's navigation links are grouped into sections and each section has from 5 to 7 links, this makes it easier to read your navigation scheme. Avoid having too many links in your navigation sections. A website with hundreds of links on the home page is terrible. Moreover, even 8 links may be too many because short-term memory holds a limited number of separate items. The average number is about 7 items plus or minus 2 depending on the individual. Therefore, try to limit your navigation to 5 items. For example, like on this website. This works not only for the home page but for the rest pages on the website too. Minimize a number of clicks to get to a page the visitor wants to visit. Minimizing the number of clicks to visit the page on your website the visitor wishes to get to leads to a better experience. Use mostly text for navigation. Navigation from page to page on your site through text links makes it easier for search engines to crawl and understand your website. Many users also prefer the text links over other approaches. Avoid heavy navigation based entirely on the drop-down menus, images, or animations. It can be difficult for search engines to crawl the drop-down menus depending on how they are programmed. Moreover, drop-downs are annoying and encourage visitors to skip important top-level pages. Google recommends using HTML not only for content, but for navigation too. If users can reach all pages on your website via normal text links, this will improve the accessibility of your website. Avoid also using non-standard style. On your website, visitors expect to find horizontal navigation across the top of the page or vertical navigation down in the left side of the page. Putting navigation in standard places makes your website easier to use that can give you a lower bounce rate, more pages per visit, and higher conversions. Use breadcrumb lists. A breadcrumb is a row of internal links at the top or bottom of the page that allows visitors to quickly navigate back to a previous section or the home page. For example, we are searching for a black crossbody handbag on the 6pm.com. We need to click on the bags link, after that on the handbags, select the crossbody, select the black color, and for example, price of 100 and under. Each our step we can see as a link about the result of our search. These links create a breadcrumb list. If we want, we can go back to any previous step by clicking on the corresponding link from the breadcrumb list. For example, we want to go to the handbag page. To do that, we need to click on the crossbody link to uncheck it. Allow for the possibility of a part of the URL being removed. Some users, instead of using the breadcrumb links on the page, might drop off a part of the URL to find more general content. Your site should be prepared to show content in this situation. For example, we are on the search engine optimization strategy page and want to go to the main page. On this website, we have the possibility to remove a part of the URL. Put an HTML sitemap page and use an XML sitemap file. Prepare two sitemaps, one for users and one for search engines. In the lower case, a sitemap is a simple page on your site that displays the structure of your website. Usually, it contains a hierarchical listing of the pages on your website. Links to all of the pages or the most important pages, if you have hundreds or thousands ones on your site, can be useful. Visitors may visit this page if they are having problems with finding pages they are interested in on your website. For example, for the current website, the link to its sitemap we can find in the bottom of any its page. If we click on the sitemap link, we will go to the page that lists links to all websites' pages. We can click on any link from this list. If we do that, the corresponding web page will be opened. In the upper case, the XML sitemap is a file where you can list the web pages of your site to tell Google and other search engines about the organization of your website's content. Search engine web crawlers read this file to more intelligently crawl your site. To see the XML sitemap of the website, type /sitemap.xml after the main URL and click Enter. This page tells Google and other search engines about the pages of the current website. So, the HTML sitemap you create for users, the XML sitemap for search engines. Avoid having broken links in your HTML sitemap page. Avoid also listing pages in your HTML sitemap without organizing them. Have a 404 not found page. Users will occasionally come to a page that doesn't exist on your site by following a broken link or typing the wrong URL. A 404 page guides users back to a working page on your site. Your 404 page should have a link back to your main page and could also provide links to the popular content on your website. For example, I typed the wrong URL while I'm searching for information on this website. As you see, page is not found. I can go to the NVIDIA Zone Software Development Company page as well as to any of the main content pages. On some sites you don't see the 404 page as they use redirects from the not found page to the home or main page. For example, we are on the Ralph Lauren website and type the wrong URL. Instead of 404 not found page, we see the main page. And all the time when we type our own URL, we will be sent to the main page. This way is pleasant for users, but not good for a website, as in this case every time when users click on the broken link or enter a wrong URL and you redirect them to your home page, Google remembers each way. As a result, the website has a duplicate context. Avoid allowing your 404 page to be indexed in search engines. You should include the 404 not found page to your robots.txt file. Avoid also using a design for your 404 page that is not consistent with the rest of your site. Your 404 page should have the same design as other pages in your website. Remember, everything on your website is connected to the site's navigation. When you are planning your website navigation system, focus on the site's simplicity and ease of use.